I'm Kurtis, and I'm a laborer here for Kalamazoo Excavation. I've been working here for about a month and a half or 2 months. Before, I was just a summer intern for Van Buren County Road Commission. My favorite part about the job is definitely working outside. I'm a very outdoorsy person. I always like doing something. And also, it's like every kid's dream to work with big equipment. So, that's probably my favorite part of working here. As a kid, I always wanted to go on Wall Street and be like some sort of businessman. I chose to work for Kalamazoo Excavation just because I liked their mission and their goal. Work hard, do everything right. A typical day, digging, pretty much digging with the shovel most of the day. If we're doing a septic, laying stone, using a come along, and pretty much shoveling.